distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this is my address. In the name of God Almighty, it gives me a great pleasure to welcome everyone here to witness this landmark event, the completion of the model Lagos NUJ secretariat, made possible by God through His minister, Reverend Esther Adeleye Ajayi. In 2020, when the President gave leadership assumed office, we met a building undergoing remodeling that was at about 30% completion stage. We approached Reverend Esther Ajayi, a one-renowned evangelist and philanthropist, who Qasim Akinreti Foundation assured us that by the grace of God Almighty, she will complete the secretariat. I remember vividly that all she required at her first visit to our church was the architectural drawing of the secretariat, which she promised to do. We told her we did not want cash, and that all we needed was what reading for us. Unexpectedly, our security man just put the phone call across the room in order to get one. That some construction workers had arrived at secretariat to start work. I immediately found that the engineers and other workers were sent by Reverend Esther Adeleye Ajayi. Glory be to God Almighty. The God Almighty continue to bless your ministry. You will never lack. The goodness and mercy of God will continue to follow you. Dr. Qasim Akinreti that started the modeling work in 2019. We want to thank Lagos State Government for their financial assistance in the course of remodeling this secretariat. However, I want to mention that we had to pay off the former contractor of this building, Powers Projects Limited, the sum of 5 million naira after we had engaged the quantity survey for proper evaluation of work done. Special thanks go to our dear President, Chief Priest to MFR, for his constant advice, concern, and encouragement while the secretariat was being remodeled. He always visited the site each time he came to Lagos to monitor the progress of work. On the part of the President led by me, permit me to say that apart from the model secretariat, we have recorded many achievements in the last 26 months. This includes several capacity building programs like Google training for 400 journalists, digital journalism and fact checking, high-lex extraction workshop, among others. The Obafemi local government in the state, which is about 1,700 plots of land. And the state we are now is global city of home. We want to contact highly placed personalities in the state for instance. Lucky enough, we have our father, our mentor, and the former governor of the state, Chief Olusegun Oshova here, who can also assist us in talking to the state government about the city of home. The President also got a bus from Brother Ahmed Tinubu Foundation in 2021. Thanks to the Honorable Speaker, Lagos House Assembly, Right Honorable Dr. Bashir Obasa, who facilitated this. We were in Umaya, Abia State in 2021 for the NUJ National Delegates Conference, with the highest number of delegates and observers of more than 100, and all delegates were well taken care of. We have also organized 2 press weeks in 2021 and 2022 respectively. Figures were that the 2 programs were the best in the history of press week celebrations in Lagos Council. Recently, in collaboration with the National Secretariat, we organized a program with recognizing media icons at the President in Lagos. You do not agree with me that it was great and fun of celebrating our leading media icons. In addition to our achievements by the grace of God, we were able to settle all debts inherited from the past NUJ state administration. We are also making efforts to obtain a radio license for the NUJ and the Battalion Community Radio. We are working towards befitting health insurance scheme as well as life insurance scheme for members. To this end, we are discussing with several organizations. Secretariat of Journalism took off in Lagos.
Your Excellency, my father, my mentor, my guardian, Aremo Olusegun Oshova, I pay homage. Former President, the President of the NUJ, Mama and Baba Ajayi, distinguished clerics, the representative of the Information Minister, I greet you. The representative of the Police Commissioner, I also greet you. Please let me stand on existing protocols as established by the chairman. I've been asked to make remarks here. I'm highly honored. I'm highly delighted. Water. 20 years ago, Aremo Olusegun Oshova was here to commission the property. And again today, it has pleased God in His infinite mercy to grant Baba life, and is here again. Amen. To see the upliftment of what he watered 20 years ago. I want to say that don't look at my size. Don't look at my mien. It may be very deceptive. But look at me inside. I may not be beautiful outside. I'm beautiful inside. And that is why it has pleased God to spare my life to stand here today to appreciate some human beings. I will appreciate Dr. Qasim Akinreti, who saw the vision. After all, some people were before you. He felt that we could expand the vision, and he started the work. But again, as it pleases God, the Adeleye Ajayi executive came. They did not abandon the project. They again further expanded it. And because it is a project of God, he ministered unto Mama Ajayi that don't look at these children, don't let them be crawling there. Lift them up, give them helping hand. And Mama did that. Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much. Let us give our life to the service of humanity. Serving humanity may not be rewarding at times, but at the end of the day, it will be very, very rewarding. And it is the reward I'm standing here today that I'm even standing at all. It is rewarding. I am fulfilled. I say thank you so much and God bless you.
The chairman and members of the State Working Committee of Lagos Council of NUJ, our former president, Lanre Ogundipe, and other leaders of the pen profession that are here, the Commissioner of Police, Lagos State Police Command, ably represented by Hyundai, the PPRO, very distinguished Nigerians, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Indeed, I am so excited, filled with joy, to be part of this epochal event. A very unique one, coming shortly after we concluded our special National Delegates Conference, where we reviewed the Constitution of the Nigeria Union of Journalists, giving birth to a much stronger, a more formidable, a highly professional body of journalists in Nigeria. This is more like an icing on the cake. Coming to officially unveil, inaugurate, commission, and present to Nigerians the latest structure that has been added to our family, and that is taking place here in Lagos. I told people yesterday that we are not surprised that this is taking place here, because when you talk about journalism, the heartbeat of journalism is actually in Lagos. And for the council to have given birth to this unique edifice, it simply goes to reaffirm the fact that Lagos leads while others follow. So I want to indeed congratulate the person that started it all. She just addressed us a few moments ago, Funke Faduba. We also appreciate Dr. Qasim Akinreti, who started the remodeling process And we indeed appreciate so highly the person who God has endowed with the grace for completeness. And that is Adeleye Ajayi and his team, who have been able to complete this structure. Our prayer is that the blessing that accompanies completeness will continue to follow you all the days of your life. We indeed also appreciate our benefactor. In fact, our benefactors. First, the government of Lagos State that started the remodeling process by making available the necessary funds to then administration that took this gigantic edifice to a certain level. We also indeed appreciate, express our profound gratitude indeed to Reverend Mother Esther Bimbola Ajayi. Indeed, this has come from unusual quarters. When we talk about support for the union, we usually go to government, agencies of government, ministries, departments, and parastatals. But in an unusual way, this support has come. And it has come so highly. We indeed appreciate you, ma'am, for deeming it necessary to support members of the Fourth Estate of the Realm. By helping us complete this project, you have indeed given us a unique form of identity. Now, nobody would look at NUJ Lagos and say they have not seen anybody. Because we now lead and others follow. We appreciate you, ma'am. Indeed, during one of our discussions at the national level, because of what you've done, ordinarily even renaming the project, but we felt the name the project bears has a history behind it, and it would not be proper in the Congress Hall of Ladilawa Press Center, Lagos State, after you. That way we'll continue to immortalize the contributions you have made to the journalism profession, not just in Lagos, but in the country. We indeed appreciate it. And to our colleagues, before I come to you, I want to indeed also appreciate our very distinguished media icon and media personality of note, the former governor of Ogun State, who has always identified with the profession. We have other people that have been in the profession and have found themselves within the political firmament.